Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cut crease and I'm going to be using the ShayLA and the Colourpop palette. And I'm just going to jump right into it. So here I'm just taking some concealer and applying that to my eyes, blending it out, and then I will apply some setting powder to that. Jumping right into it with the ShayLA and Colourpop palette. I'm going to be first taking the Culture shade there and applying that as my transition shade. Whenever you apply your transition shade, it just makes all the other colors come together so nicely. This palette did come with 16 different shades. I will leave the price below. I believe it was like $23. But yeah, go get that palette if you haven't already, girl. And you'll see me just blending that first Culture shade. And the next color I'm going into is the color shade called Thick. And I'll just be applying that below where I applied the color Culture. So here I'm just going to keep on blending. Just keep on blending and keep on packing the color on to your liking. Next, I'm going in with the color Revenge. I'm going to apply that in the crease. So we applied Culture, Thick, and now we're applying Revenge all in the crease there. I love the way these colors actually came together. Like, they blend so well. Blend, blend, blend. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just blending out those colors because the next color I'm going to go into is pretty dark. And I just want to make sure that that's all blended out. The next color I'm taking is the color Played Out. I find that funny that she named it that. Played Out. That brown, it is played out. But I'm taking that color, deepening up my crease. Don't worry about your shadow getting on your lid because you are definitely about to clean it up with the concealer when we cut that crease, honey. So here I'm just blending out some more. I'm taking the color Culture and I'm going to blend out any harsh edges that I see before we go ahead and cut that crease. Time to cut that crease, honey. So now I'm just taking the concealer and I will apply it to my lid. I do have a technique that I use, which is looking up. And then from there, I follow my crease in that line. And it allows me to know where and how I should be cutting my crease. Here, I'm just taking my time. You have to take your time. I'm using a flat brush, a small flat brush. I actually ordered some of my brushes off Amazon. I order my brushes from Amazon. I go into the stores. This brush set that I actually had was probably only like $12. But I can tell you this is like one of the best brushes I've used for a cut crease in a really long time. So yeah, just make sure you take your time and you're following your crease. And it took me a lot of practice to do this. It's not that easy, but with practice, you'll get it and you'll see I'm just taking my time. I'm showing both eyes in this tutorial. Typically, I would only be doing one eye, but this one I really wanted you to see just how everything came together. So here I'm taking the shade TF, which we all know what that stands for. And sorry for my cracked mirror, guys. I must have dropped my palette and didn't realize it broke my mirror too. But I'm just taking that shade and we're going to apply that where we apply the concealer. I'm taking another small flat brush for your eyeshadow. And I use this kind of brush because I like to get up in there and make it look really sharp. And yeah, just keep on applying that color. I also did use some setting spray and sprayed my brush a little bit when I applied this shade to the eyelid. So now I'm just taking the color played out and using an angle brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend out my outer V. We don't need to see any harsh lines. Now it's time for the face. I am using a moisturizer. I will leave the name of the moisturizer in the description box. I'm sorry, I do not have it off the top of my head. And it's just the regular old basics. You apply your primer and, just rub that in. And again, I let my primer sit on my face for about a minute or two before I even apply my foundation. Before we even get into the foundation, I do have to use my pore filler by NYX. I love to use this around my nose and my mouth area. My pores are very big and open, and I like to fill those in. And before we even use the foundation, I also forgot to include the Honeydew NYX by NYX that I use. And I just dab that all over the face and, pat that in, and then we get into the foundation. Here I'm just taking my Kat Von D brush and I'm going to be applying my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Foundation all over the face. From here, I'm not going to do too much more talking in this video, but I do use two concealers. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills kit there. Cover up them circles, honey, because it was like 1 o'clock when I was recording this video, so I was just a little sleepy. And I also use my LA Pro Girl in the color Cool Tan, and I blend those two together, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so don't come for me. As y'all can see, it's down to the pan. I use this shade a lot. I'm using my Anastasia highlighter kit here. And I'm just applying this shade where I want to glow. Now, what I did do in this video is I used two highlighters. I forgot that I had the ShayLa highlighter in the shade Boomin. And I end up applying that a little later, you'll see. But for right now, we're just going to apply that. I feel like you can never have too much highlighter, honey. So here I remembered that I had the Shayla and Colourpop highlighter, which is in the highlight shade Boomin. And yes, honey, like, yes, I love this highlighter. It makes everything. The shade is called Boomin, honey. It's Boomin. Now I'm just taking the Maybelline setting spray, setting that bitch, honey, because you know you got to set everything once you're done. And then I'm going to be taking my NYX lip liner and lining my lips, and then using the Shayla and Colourpop lipstick in the color Ooh. And guys, that's going to be it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. I will be coming to you with more videos. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys.